welcome back to one of our Linguish tutorials. So this one is called Dig It Out, because what we'll do is we'll dig out dinosaur bones. So we have made the dinosaur bones with salt dough in our class before. Now we're going to dig them out. Check out our tutorial, it's called Dinosaur Bones. So if you have if in your school there's a grassy area with maybe some flowers or dirt or anything, please go hide the bones in such an area. If, like us, you're in a town center and you can't really have access to a park or anything, find a space, a finite space where you can hide everything. So I'm just gonna go and hide the dinosaur bones all around, just like an Easter egg hunt. Let's go! Okay, students, so the dinosaur bones are somewhere. Okay, you have to look for the dinosaur bone. But once you find a dinosaur bone, you say, "Look!
Look!
We have found a dinosaur bone."
A dinosaur bone.
And you come here, and I will ask you, what bone is it? Is it a head bone? No. Is it a leg bone?
Yes.
Maybe.
No, it's not.
No. Is it an arm bone?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And you say, "Look!
Look!
We have found an arm bone."
And a arm bone.
Okay? And so they'll do this by groups of 2, okay? And of course I only have 2 students with me right now, so they will look together. And go! Look!
There's one here.
Oh!
Say, stop! Say, look!
Look! We have found a head bone.
Oh yeah, maybe.
Try it. Is it a head bone?
Yes, it is.
Yes!
Yay!
Go!
Look!
Look, we have found a bone.
A chest bone? No, a tail bone?
Is it a leg bone?
A leg bone. Now, continue.
Okay.
And if they bring it without speaking, let's
Look!
You have to speak. If you don't speak, you can't bring it here. Okay?
Okay.
Good?
Yes.
Perfect. Have fun with this, and please, if you can, put them in the dirt. Let's have fun. Let's be archaeologists, okay? Have a great day. Bye, everyone. Bye.